Hey guys, welcome to Henry's channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on dark mode in Windows 11. So just go to settings, just go to personalization and colors, and guys, from there you can change your Windows theme into dark mode. So right now it's in dark mode, as you can see here. You can see File Explorer is in dark mode and settings menu is also in dark mode. Everything will be in dark mode now, and you can also change your modes from here. Just go to themes, and from here you can choose a light theme or a dark theme. As you can see, I have selected a dark theme, but if you wanna select a light theme and change its color, you can also do it. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.